Dr. Waltz. Nice to see you, sir.
How are you?
What do we have here?
We have an image from the Landsat satellite. This particular image has the Turkish border.
This is the whole Turkish frontier area.
Right. This is an overview of the entire scene.
Now, would it be possible to get this enlarged so that we could get a closer view of Mount Ararat itself?
Yes, we'll magnify this particular area right there. Dale, would you go ahead and punch in the command?
As new data was fed into the computer, the image was transformed to a close-up of Mount Ararat and the surrounding area. Based on all the eyewitness sightings of the Ark, we knew that this area was most likely the location of the Ark. Dr. Waltz then inserted a cursor in the shape of a rectangle around the suspected area. The computer was then asked to make a 6-time magnification of the area. The blocking effect you see is the result of this magnification. Each block, or pixel, also known as picture element, represents 1 acre of territory. Next, we took our cursor, moved it to the electronic window of the suspected area. The cursor was then reduced to the size of a pixel and inserted into one of the blocks. Then, we asked the computer to tell us which pixels have the same spectral data or reflective light patterns as the block now containing the cursor. Those that are the same would turn green. The first picture element tested showed a common reflective pattern, meaning it was similar in most respects to the surrounding area. Next, we moved the cursor to the location described by the eyewitnesses. When the computer was activated, it was the only spot of the mountain to turn green. Now, Doctor, what does this actually tell us?
This is the only pixel or picture element that has that specific reflectivity in this general vicinity.
Then we know from the electronic data analysis that this is the only thing on the entire mountain of Ararat or any of the surrounding territory which has this particular reflective pattern in all 4 bands of the spectrum.
It most likely is.
Let me, in effect, put you on the hook, Doctor. Is it possible that that is Noah's Ark?
Well, I could not discount that possibility.
Yes, the satellite data confirms the possible location
Yeah.
of the Ark, but it doesn't prove conclusively.
They really zeroed in on it.
If we had no further data than the Landsat imagery, we might never be positive. But we do have further data.